आंसर वॉज गौतम बुद्धा बॉर्न। आंसर है इसका 563 BC। सेकेंड, विच ऑफ द इवेंट्स बुद्धा's लाइफ इज नोन एज महाविनिष्कर्मणा। आंसर है हिज डिपार्चर फ्रॉम होम। थर्ड, गौतम बुद्धा's मदर वॉज फ्रॉम विच क्लैन। आंसर है कोलियान क्लैन। फोर्थ, गौतम बुद्धा वॉज बोर्न एट। आंसर है इसका लुम्बिनी। फिफ्थ, विच ऑफ दिस इज अनदर नेम ऑफ बुद्धा। आंसर है नन ऑफ दिस। छत्तीसगढ़ ने प्रचन्ना इसको मार्क किया था सही, ठीक है, बाकी आंसर इसका नन ऑफ दिस ही है। सिक्स, फ्रॉम विच इंस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डायनेस्टी लुम्बिनी वॉज नोन एज बुद्धा's बर्थ प्लेस। आंसर है मौर्यन। सेवन, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ अशोका confirms द ट्रेडिशन दैट गौतम बुद्धा वॉज बोर्न इन लुम्बिनी। आंसर है रूमी दी पिलर इंस्क्रिप्शन। 8. The inscription of which one of the following kings gives the information that Sakyamuni Buddha was born in Lumbini? Answer है Ashoka. 9. Where did Mahatma Buddha's Mahaparinirbhan take place? इसका आंसर है कुशीनगर। 10. Buddha attend Mahaparinirbhan in the Republic of। आंसर इसका है मालास। 11. गौतम बुद्धा अटेंड महापरिनिर्वाण इन किंगडम ऑफ। इसका आंसर है माला। 12. गौतम बुद्धा अटेंड निर्वाणा एट विच प्लेस। इसका आंसर है बोध गया। गया। 13. महापरिनिर्वाण टेम्पल इज लोकेटेड एट। इसका आंसर है कुशीनगर। 14. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग किंगडम्स वर एसोसिएटेड विद द लाइफ ऑफ द बुद्धा। पहला अवंती, सेकंड गंधारा, थर्ड कोसाला, फोर्थ मगधा। सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट आंसर यूजिंग द कोड गिवन बिलो। इसका आंसर है थर्ड एंड फोर्थ, कोसाला एंड मगधा। 15. हु वॉज द लास्ट पर्सन टू गेट एनलाइटनमेंट फ्रॉम गौतम बुद्धा। इसका आंसर है शुभाता। 16. Who amongst the following was the last person converted by the Buddha? इसका आंसर है शुभाता। 17. The ruler of Suvarnabhumi who founded a Buddhist monastery at Nalanda and requested Devpala throughout his ambassador to grant 5 villages for its maintenance was। इसका आंसर है बलापुत्र देवा। 18. Where did Buddha reside during the last rainy season of his life? इसका आंसर है वैशाली। 19. Which one of the following describes best the concept of nirvana in Buddhism? इसका आंसर है the extinction of the flame of desire। 20. Who was Alara Kalama? इसका आंसर है a teacher of Buddha। 21. At which place did Mahatma Buddha gave his first धर्मचक्र प्रवर्तना? इसका आंसर है सारनाथ। 22. Where did Buddha preach his first sermon? इसका आंसर है सारनाथ। 23. Who gave his first sermon in Sarnath? आंसर है इसका महात्मा बुद्ध। 24. गौतम बुद्धा gave his first sermon at। आंसर है सारनाथ। 25. In Buddhist text धर्म चक्र प्रवर्तना is known as। इसका आंसर है फर्स्ट sermon at सारनाथ। 26. धर्म चक्र प्रवर्तना was performed at। आंसर है सारनाथ। 27. गौतम बुद्धा gave the maximum sermon at which place? आंसर है श्रावस्ती। 28. Which philosophy accepts त्रिरत्ना? आंसर है बुद्धिज्म। What does त्रिरत्ना means in Buddhism? आंसर है बुद्धा धम्मा संघा। 30. बुद्धा had visited कौशाम्बी during the reign of। आंसर है उदयन। 31. First Buddhist conference after the death of Buddha was presided over by। आंसर है इसका महाकश्यपा। 32. Who among the following conducted the first Buddhist council? आंसर है महाकसपा। 33. Tataparni cave is situated in? Answer है राजगृह. 34. Who among the following presided over the Buddhist council held during the reign of Kanishka at Kashmir? Answer है Vasumitra. 35. Which of the following rulers convened the fourth Buddhist council in Kashmir? Answer है Kanishka. 36. Mahayana sect and Buddhism emerged during the reign of? Answer है Kanishka. 37. A Buddhist council during the reign of Kanishka was held at? Answer है Kashmir. 38. The fourth Buddhist council was held in Kashmir during the reign of which king? Answer है Kanishka. 39. The fourth Buddhist council was held during the reign of? Answer है Kanishka. 4 Buddhist council were held in the following places. Arrange them in chronological order by using the code given below. पहला वैशाली, सेकंड राजगृह, थर्ड कुंडलवाना, फोर्थ पाटलिपुत्रा. इसका आंसर है 2143. सबसे पहले हुआ राजगृह, दूसरा वैशाली, तीसरा पाटलिपुत्र और चौथा कुंडलवाना. 41. Second Buddhist council was held at which place? इसका आंसर है वैशाली. 42. Where was the third Buddhist council held? इसका आंसर है पाटलिपुत्रा. 43. The first Buddhist council was held during the reign of? आंसर है अजातशत्रु. 44. The first Buddhist council was held in which of the following cities? आंसर है राजगीर. 45. Second Buddhist council was organized by? आंसर है कलाशोका. 46. 4 important events of Buddha's life and thereby related 4 places are mentioned below. Match schedule 1 and schedule 2 and select correct answer from the code given below. Schedule 1. A. Birth. B. Enlightenment. C. First preaching. D. Death. Schedule 2. First Sarnath, second Bodh Gaya, third Lumbini, fourth कुशीनगर. इसका आंसर है C. मैच करते हैं. बर्थ इनका हुआ है लुम्बिनी में. इनलाइटनमेंट जो है इनका हुआ है बोध गया में. फर्स्ट प्रीचिंग जो है इनकी सारनाथ में. डेथ कुशीनगर. 47. Which event of the Buddha's life is represented by the wheel with deer in Indian art? इसका आंसर है फर्स्ट प्रीचिंग. 48. Match list 1 sign and list 2 meaning and select the correct answer using the code given below. List 1 sign. A. Birth. B. First sermon. C. Enlightenment. D. Great departure. List 2 meaning. First both 3. Second धर्म चक्र. Third horse. Fourth lotus. इसका आंसर है D. मैच करते हैं. बर्थ इनका है लोटस. सरमन फर्स्ट सरमन का है धर्म चक्र. एनलाइटनमेंट है बोध ट्री. ग्रेट डिपार्चर है इनका हॉर्स. 49. कर्मापा लामा बिलोंग्स टू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेक्ट्स ऑफ तिब्बतन बुद्धिज्म? इसका आंसर है कंग्युपा. 50. Which of the following statement is or are correct about Lord Buddha? He was born in Kapilvastu. He attained enlightenment at Bodh Gaya. He discarded the Vedic religion. He preached noble truths. Select the correct answer from the quotes given below. इसका आंसर है D. सारे के सारे सही हैं. 51. Mahabodhi temple has been built at Bodh Gaya where? आंसर है गौतम बुद्धा received enlightenment. 52. The Bodhi Vrish in Bodh Gaya belongs to which generation of its family? इसका आंसर है 5th. C option 5th. 53. Which of the following Buddhist sacred place is situated on the bank of river Nirjana? इसका आंसर है बोध गया. 54. The teaching of Buddha are related to? इसका आंसर है purity and holiness of conduct. 55. Who among the following wanted to become the leader of the Sangha even during the lifetime of Buddha? Answer है Devadatta. 56. Whom of the following did Gautam Buddha nominate for the leadership of Buddhist Sangha after his death? Answer है none of the above. 57. After the Mahaparivana of Lord Buddha, the first Buddhist council was held at? Answer है राजगृह राजगीर. 58 द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ एट फोल्ड पाथ फॉर्म्स द थीम ऑफ, आंसर है इसका धर्म चक्र परिवर्तना सुत्ता। 59 which of the following is or are true about Gautam Buddha? First, he believes in karma. Second, he believes in rebirth. Third, attaining nirvana. Fourth, belief in the power of God. Code. Answer इसका है A. All. Only 1, 2, 3. 60. The entry of women as bhikshuni into the Buddhist Sangha was allowed by Gautam Buddha at, आंसर है वैशाली। उसके बाद 61 हु इज कॉल्ड क्रिप्टो बुद्धिस्ट, इसका आंसर है शंकरा, आदि शंकराचार्य। 62 व्हाट इज त्रिपटका, आंसर है कलेक्शन ऑफ प्रीचिंग्स ऑफ बुद्धा। 63 त्रिपतकास आर सैक्रेड बुक्स ऑफ द, आंसर है इसका बुद्धिस्ट्स। त्रिपतका 64 त्रिपतका टेक्स्ट आर रिलेटेड टू विच रिलीजन, आंसर है इसका बुद्धिज्म। 65 त्रिपतका इज एसोसिएटेड विद विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग, इसका आंसर है बुद्धिस्ट्स। 66 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बुद्धिस्ट टेक्स्ट कंटेन द रूल्स ऑफ मोनास्टिक लाइफ, आंसर है इसका विनय पट्टिका। 67 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बुद्धिस्ट लिटरेचर कंटेन्स द बुद्धा sermon ऑन मैटर ऑफ एथिक्स एंड डॉक्ट्रिन, आंसर है इसका सूता पिटका। 68 यमका बिलोंग्स टू द बुद्धिस्ट पिटका, आंसर है इसका अभिधमा। 69 इन एंशिएंट इंडियन बुद्धिस्ट मोनेस्ट्रीज अ सेरेमनी कॉल्ड पावरना यूज्ड टू बी हेल्ड, इट वाज द, आंसर है इसका कन्फेशन बाय मॉन्क्स ऑफ देयर ऑफेंसेस कमिटेड ड्यूरिंग देयर स्टे इन द मोनेस्ट्रीज ड्यूरिंग द रेनी सीजन्स। 70 अशोक करम monastery is situated at, आंसर इसका है पाटलिपुत्रा। 71 where is the highest in the world विश्व शांति स्तूपा located in बिहार, आंसर इसका है राजगीर। 72 the giant Buddha statue of 80 feet at Bodh Gaya was constructed by, आंसर इसका है जापानीज। 73 the word stupa has been used for the first time, आंसर है ऋग्वेदा। 74 the stupa site which is not connected with any incident of Lord Buddha's life is, आंसर है इसका सांची। 75 it was only ancient name of world's famous tourist destination of Sachi, आंसर है ककनाम। 76 which is the correct chronological order of the following stupas? A भरूच, सांची, अमरावती और धामेक। 77 world is unstable and transient is related to which of the following, इसका आंसर है बुद्धिज्म। 78 who advocated न्यू बुद्धिज्म, इसका आंसर है अंबेडकर। 79 who among the following is known as the light of Asia, आंसर है गौतम बुद्धा। 80 who amongst the following is known as the light of Asia, आंसर है लॉर्ड बुद्धा। 81 with reference to the cultural history of India which one of the following is the correct description of the term paramitas, आंसर है perfections whose attainment led to the bodhisattva path। 82 Sir Edwin Arnold book The Light of Asia is based on, आंसर है ललित विस्तार। 83 what is the fundamental difference between the Hinayan and Mahayan sect of Buddhism, आंसर है वर्शिप ऑफ गॉड एंड गॉडेसेस। 84 गौतम बुद्धा वॉज एलिवेटेड टू द पोजीशन ऑफ गॉड ड्यूरिंग द पीरियड ऑफ, आंसर है कनिष्का। 85 द फर्स्ट ह्यूमन स्टैचू वर्शिप्ड इन इंडिया वर दोज ऑफ, आंसर है बुद्धा। द ओल्डेस्ट स्कल्पचर ऑफ बुद्धा इज मेड इन विच स्टाइल, आंसर है नन ऑफ द अबव और मोर देन वन ऑफ द अबव। इसमें जो दो ऑप्शन सही है वो गांधारा और मथुरा है, ठीक। इसके बाद है 87 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग लेड द फाउंडेशन ऑफ आइडल वर्शिप इन द कंट्री, आंसर है बुद्धिज्म। 88 नेम ऑफ द मुद्रा विच इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय द गांधारन बुद्धा इमेज ऑफ सारनाथ फर्स्ट सरमन, आंसर है इसका धर्म चक्र। 89 द स्टैंडिंग स्टैचू ऑफ द गौतम बुद्धा वॉज बिल्ट इन विच पीरियड? इसका आंसर है कुषाण पीरियड। 90 Lord Buddha's image is sometimes shown in with the hand gesture called Bhumi Parsha Mudra. It symbolizes, इसका आंसर है Buddha's calling to the earth to witness his purity and chastity despite the temptation of Mara. 91 Sarnath Buddha image of Bhumi Parsha Mudra belongs to, आंसर है इसका गुप्ता पीरियड। 92 which with reference to a culture history of India consider the following pairs. पहला परिव्राजका renunciant and wanderer. Second Sharmana priest with a high status. Third Upasaka lay follower of Buddhism. Which of the pairs given above are correct and matched? इसका आंसर है B 1 and 3 only. करेक्टली मैच जो है वो ये और ये। 93rd सारनाथ बुद्धा इमेज ऑफ भूमि स्पर्श मुद्रा बिलोंग्स टू, आंसर है इसका गुप्ता पीरियड। 94 assertion A Kushinagar was the capital of Mala Republic. Reason R Lord Buddha's Mahaparivana took place in Kushinagar. Select the correct answer using the code given below. इसका आंसर है both A and R are true, but R is not correct explanation of A. 95 which of the following pairs are correctly matched? First Lothal ancient dockyard, second Sarnath first sermon of Buddha, third Rajgir lion capital of Ashoka, fourth Nalanda great sea of Buddhist learning. Select the correct answer using the code below. इसका आंसर है 1 2 and 4 करेक्टली मैच में 1 2 and 4. 96 in the Mahayana Buddhism the Bodhisattva Avalokit Savara was also known as, answer है Padmapani. 97 with reference to the religious history of India consider the following statement. First Satavirtvadins belongs to Mahayana Buddhism. Second Loktaravadin sect was an offshoot of Mahasanghika sect of Buddhism. Third the deification of Buddha by Mahasanghikas fostered the Mahayana Buddhism. Which of the following statement given below is are correct? इसका आंसर है B 2 and 3 only. यही दो सही है। Consider the following. Deification of Buddha. Second trading the path of Bodhisattvas. Third image worship and rituals. Which of the above is or are features of Mahayana Buddhism? इसका आंसर है 1 2 and 3. 99 with reference to the religious history of India consider the following statement. The concept of Bodhisattvas is central to Mahayana sect of Buddhism. Bodhisattvas is a compassionate one on his way to enlightenment. Third, Bodhisattvas delay achieving his salvation to help all sentient beings on their path to it. Which of the statement given above is or are correct? इसका आंसर है 2 and 3 only. यही दो करेक्ट है। 100 The largest and the most evolved rock-cut Chaitya hall of the Himalayan phase is situated at. इसका आंसर है कारले। 101 Which Indian Buddhist monk had been sent to China in the 1st century AD? इसका आंसर है नागार्जुना। 102 The doctrine of void शून्यता was propounded by the Buddhist philosopher. आंसर इसका है नागार्जुना। 103 To which Buddhist school did Nagarjuna belongs? आंसर है महाध्यामिका। 104 Buddhist center of learning is? इसका आंसर है विक्रमशिला। 105 Which one of the following rulers did not contribute toward the expansion of Buddhism? इसका आंसर है पुष्यमित्र शुंगा। 106 Which among the following state Odantipur education center was situated? इसका आंसर है बिहार। 107 वल्लभी यूनिवर्सिटी वॉज सिचुएटेड इन? इसका आंसर है गुजरात। 108 नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी वॉज फाउंडेड ड्यूरिंग द डायनेस्टी ऑफ? आंसर है गुप्ता। 109 हु वॉज द फाउंडर ऑफ नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी? आंसर है कुमार गुप्ता। 110 वाई वॉज नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी फेमस इन द वर्ल्ड? आंसर है बुद्धिस्ट रिलीजियस फिलोसफी। 111 with reference to a religious history of India, consider the following statements. First, Sutrantika and Samitya were the sects of Jainism. Second, Sarvastivadin held that the constituents of phenomena were not wholly momentary but existed forever in a latent form. Which of the following given is or are above correct? Answer is 2 only. 112. Out of the statement below, first is assertion A and second is reason R. Carefully read both statements. Assertion A. Till the end of 12th century Nalanda, Mahavihara lost its glory. Reason R. State protection ceased to be available to Mahavihara. With respect to the above mentioned two statements, which of the following is true? इसका आंसर है A and R both are true and A is the correct explanation of A. 113 Nav Nalanda Mahavihara is famous for? इसका आंसर है पाली रिसर्च सेंटर। 114 Which of the following were common to both Buddhism and Jainism? First, avoidance of extremities of penance and enjoyment. Second, indifference of the authority of the Vedas. Third, denial of efficiency of rituals. Four, non-injury to animal life. Select the answer using the code given below. आंसर इसका है 2, 3 and 4. कॉमन क्या है? Indifference to the authority of the Vedas, denial of efficiency of rituals, and 4, non-injury to animal life. 115 With reference to the history of ancient India, which of the following was or were common to both Buddhism and Jainism? First, avoidance of extremities of penance and enjoyment. Second, indifference to the authority of the Vedas. Third, denial of efficiency of rituals. Select the correct answer using the code given below. इसका आंसर है 2 and 3. Indifference to the authority of the Vedas, ठीक, और denial of the efficiency of ritual, ये common है. 116 Which one of the following is not common between Buddhism and Jainism? इसका आंसर है self mortification. 117 Lord Buddha praised the following 4 noble truths. Put them in correct order using the code given below. A. There is suffering. B. There is a cessation of suffering. C. There is a path leading to the cessation of suffering. D. There is the cause of suffering. आंसर इसका है A, D, B, C. सबसे पहले there is suffering. Second, there is the cause of suffering. Third, there is cessation of suffering. Fourth, there is path leading to cessation of suffering. 118 Both Jainism and Buddhism believed that. Answer, philosophy of karma and transmigration of soul were correct. 190 According to a philosophy of Buddhism, assertion A rejected the concept of rebirth. Reason R. Soul is mortal. Choose the correct option. Answer इसका है D. A is untrue but R is true. 120 Which of the following statement is or are correct about Buddhism? Answer is question पहला, it did not reject caste and class. Second, it challenged highest social rank Brahmins. Third, it pointed certain castes as low. Choose the correct answer from the code given below. इसका आंसर है C, 1, 2 and 3. 121 Atmavada, no self is the doctrine of. आंसर इसका है Buddhism. 122 The reason included in the expansion of Buddhism, the simplicity of religion. Second, special appeal toward Dalit. Third, missionary concept of religion. Fourth, regional language. 5, the soundness of Vedic spirit by philosophers. इसका आंसर है 1, 2, 3, 4. Simplicity of religion, special appeal toward Dalit, missionary concept of religion, or regional language. 123 Who has propounded the doctrine of momentariness? आंसर है बुद्धा. 124. Why did Buddhism start declining in India in early medieval times? A. First, Buddha was that time considered as one of the incarnation of Vishnu and thus become a part of Vaishnavism. Second, the invading tribes from Central Asia till the last Gupta king adopted Hinduism and persecuted Buddhists. Third, the king of Gupta dynasty was strongly opposed to Buddhism. Which of the following statement is or are correct? इसका आंसर है वन ओनली. Buddha was by that time considered as one of the incarnation of Vishnu and thus become a part of Vaishnavism. 125. Consider the following statement. What is the difference between Chaityas and Viharas? इसका आंसर है Chaitya is a place of worship while Vihara is a dwelling place. 126. Some Buddhist rock cut caves are called Chaityas while the other called Viharas. What is the difference between the two? इसका आंसर है चैत्या इज अ प्लेस ऑफ वर्शिप व्हाइल विहारा इज द ड्वेलिंग प्लेस ऑफ द मॉन्क्स. 127. Consider the following statement. The early Chatyagrahas and Viharas of Guntupahalli in West Godavari district are rock cut. Second, the Chaityas and Viharas of Eastern Deccan are usually rock cut. Of this statement, इसका आंसर है A. Only one is correct. The early Chatyagrahas and Viharas of Guntupalli in West Godavari district are rock cut. 128. Which form of Buddhism was prominent during the Sultanate period? आंसर है इसका वज्रायना. 129. With reference to Indian history, who among the following is the future Buddha yet to come to save the world? आंसर इसका है मैत्रेय. 130. Which one of the following statement is correct? आंसर इसका है अजंता caves lie in the gorge of Waghora river.